Hello, welcome. Let us discuss and understand about transformer-based neural network. This transformer-based architecture is the game-changing innovation in the field of AI, which led to many innovations. A transformer-based neural network is a deep learning architecture designed to process sequential data such as text, images, or audio. Let us understand what does the deep learning architecture means here. The word deep in the deep learning refers to depth of the neural network. For example, in the shallow neural network, you will just have a one or two hidden layers. Whereas in the deep neural network, you will have a multiple hidden layers. Here, data passes through just one or two layers. Here, in the deep neural network, there can be 10 or even thousands of hidden layers in between the input and output layer. In shallow neural network, there will be very few hidden layers. In many cases, there will be just one hidden layer. Here, transformer based neural network is based on this deep learning architecture. That is why it is called deep learning neural network. Here, transformer based architecture has multiple hidden layers. That is why it is called deep learning architecture. Here, transformer based neural network is called deep learning architecture because it has multiple hidden layers through which the data passes through. In a deep learning architecture, data passes through multiple hidden layers. This transformer architecture is a game changer in the field of AI. Many tools that we are using today are based on this particular architecture. We will focus more on this concept. Also, many tools that we will be using in the future will be based on this particular architecture. The transformer architecture is based on this research paper, Attention is All You Need, which was published in 2017. This research paper has led to so many innovations thereafter, and all the generative AI tools that you use fundamentally based on this research paper. There might be slight change in the architecture, they might have done a customization, but fundamental concept is based on this paper, and it is just 11 pages, but it is very complex research paper, and it has many informations in just 11 pages. This is how the transformer architecture looks, which is more of a technical details here. Transformer based neural network is widely used in natural language processing, and also it has been increasingly used in computer vision. We will understand the meaning of natural language processing and computer vision shortly. And this transformer based neural network rely on something called self attention mechanism that captures the relationship between the elements across the entire input. We will understand this self attention mechanism also shortly in detail.